Now, let's discuss why you should grow this amazing tree. First, papayas are packed with vitamins A, C, and E. These nutrients boost your immune system and improve skin health. Eating papayas regularly can help you feel more energized and healthy. Next, growing your own Carica papaya will save you money. Instead of buying expensive grocery store fruits, you can harvest your own. Imagine stepping outside and picking fresh papayas whenever you want. Additionally, papaya trees grow quickly. You can see results in just 6 to 12 months after planting. This fast growth is perfect for eager gardeners wanting quick harvests. Now, let's go through the steps to grow your own papaya tree. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden. Papayas require at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Next, prepare the soil. Ensure it drains well and is rich in organic matter. After that, plant the seeds about half an inch deep. Water them well after planting. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Within a week or two, you should see sprouts emerging. As the trees grow, provide regular water and nutrients. Fertilize every 2 months with a balanced fertilizer. This will help your tree grow strong and healthy. When your tree is 2 to 3 years old, it will start producing fruit. You might see your first papayas forming, and that's an exciting moment. To make this even more relatable, think about how satisfying it is to grow food from your own land. It's not just rewarding but healthy for your family. In summary, growing a Carica papaya tree is beneficial for health and finances. It's a quick-growing tree that rewards you with delicious fruit. Plus, it's a fun gardening project. So, what are you waiting for? Start your papaya planting journey today. Check the links below for seeds and tips on care. Happy gardening! Have you ever considered growing your own papaya tree? Papayas are nutritious, delicious, and easy to grow. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of growing a Carica papaya tree and how to do it. Let's start with the basics. The papaya tree, also known as Carica papaya, is a tropical plant. It produces sweet, juicy fruits that are rich in vitamins. These trees can thrive in various soil types, making them accessible.